Today you will get to know about top 4 photo editing apps of 2020. The first app on the list is Photo Editor Pro, and it has tons of filters in it. You can apply any filter in just a single tap. Here you get some cool glitch effects, awesome neon overlays and much more. Get here some advanced features like HSL slider too. The next app on the list is pics. This app is really powerful and popular. The main feature of this app is layers. Here's a simple example what you can do with the layers. If you wanna know how to use Lightroom, you can check my Lightroom playlist in the I button. The last but not the least is Snapseed. It comes from Google. I personally use this app a lot. It has many amazing features like perspective. You can change the perspective of the image, selective edit, etc. can check out my Snapseed playlist in the I button too. If you are liking the video till now, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.